Hello. So in this video, we're going to be going over categories and tags. Category and tags allow you to manage and catalog the different posts that you have on your WordPress website. So to get to, first we're going to go ahead and go over categories. So to get the categories, we come over here to post and go down to categories. It should take you to a page that looks like this. And as you can see, we already have a category automatically made by WordPress, and that is uncategorized. If no category is specified for a post, then that post is automatically placed here. Okay, so on this page we can actually create a new category. So first we're going to come over here and we're going to give it a name. I'm going to make a news category, and then we're also going to give it a slug. We'll also name it news. And we can also, if we wanted to add a parent category, we can add one, but I'm not going to. And we can also add a description and put this is the news category. Then once you filled out the information you wanted, click add new category. And you have now added a new category, as you can see. So now that we have created a new category, how do you add a post to a category? So what you're going to want to do is come over here to all post. And as you can see right here in this column shows categories, and it shows what post is related to what category. And as you can see right now, they are all uncategorized. So let's go ahead and go to testing 2. And to change the category, all you're going to need to do is come over here to the right, click on categories, let's extend this, and then click on news and uncheck uncategorized, hit update. And now testing 2 will show up under the category of news. And to show this, we'll go ahead and go back to all post. And as you can see under categories, testing 2 is news. So you all may have noticed in categories over here, it says we can just add a new category right here. So instead of going over here and doing all of it here, we can just do it right here. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Click on it right here. And let's say I want to call this one movies. Click add new category. Now a new category has been added, and let's say I don't want it under news anymore. Uncheck it. Click update. And now testing 2 is under the category of movies, and a new category was added, which is movies. So how do categories actually work? So let me go ahead and show you. First, we're going to need to go to your website. And as you can see, the way that I have my website set up and the theme that I'm using, I just come over here to the side and scroll down to the categories and then click on what I want. I want to go to movies. And there it is, movies. Another way to navigate through different categories is that at the bottom of every post, there should be little icon that looks like this. This is for categories, and I want to go to movies. I would click on it, and it would show me everything that's in the categories of movies, but I only have one thing right now, which is testing 2. But if I want to go over to uncategorized and see all the posts there, I just click on it, and it shows me all the posts that are in uncategorized, which I have 3 at the moment. And ignore this testing 2 right here. This is a different one from back in January. So now that we've gone over categories, let's go over tags. Tags are used to group related posts together. Tags are very similar to categories and are also made in a very similar way. So to create a tag, what you need to do is come over here to post and go over to tags. And unlike with categories where we automatically had one already made, which was uncategorized, there are no tags automatically made for us. So to create a new tag, come over here and let's go ahead and give it a name. Let's give it WordPress as our tag. Let's come down here to slug and also name it. It's WordPress, but with lowercase letters. And then give it a description. And then once you have done that, click add new tag. So now that you've created this new tag, how do you add a tag to a post? Well, it's done in a very similar way to adding a post to a category. You just come over here to all post. We'll use testing as our example again, testing 2. And we'll come over here to the right and scroll down to tags and just type in the tag that we want, and we want WordPress. Just click WordPress, click add, and now that tag has been added. Now you can see here, right here, we can just make up a new tag right here and now. And let me go and show you that instead of coming all the way over here and creating a tag here, we can just create it right here. So let's put movie, let's make movie a new tag, click add, and now that tag is a part of this post. Well, not yet. What we need to do is click update. And now these tags are a part of this post. So what do these tags look like on your WordPress website? Well, to view that, let's go up here to view post. And as you can see, under the post testing 2, I have my category movies, and now I have my tags movie and WordPress. And if I click on movie, it'll take me to tag movies and all the posts related to the movie tag. Or if I clicked on WordPress, it takes me to all the tags related to WordPress. So now you may be wondering, what's the difference between categories and tags, since they basically do the same things? Well, you can kind of see category as more a broad type of thing, and you can kind of see tags as more specifics. So this will bring an end to my video on categories and tags.